Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making those tough purchasing decisions a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, and you better buckle up because we're comparing two heavy hitters, the Sovol SV06 and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. Which one will reign supreme? Let's find out. Let's start with the thing that everyone's wallet cares about, the price. The Sovol SV06 comes in at $249, while the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is slightly cheaper at $239. That's right, folks, the Kobra 2 Neo is cheaper by a whopping $10. That's like 2 fancy coffees or 1 overpriced avocado toast. But hey, every dollar counts, right? Next up, let's talk speed. The Sovol SV06 can crank up its print speed to 150 millimeters per second with a firmware update. But hold on to your filaments, because the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo boasts a max speed of 250 millimeters per second. That's like comparing a bicycle to a Ferrari. The Kobra 2 Neo finishes your prints faster than you can say extruder calibration. Reviewers have noted that, while the Sovol SV06 is reasonably fast, the Kobra 2 Neo's speed is a game changer for those needing quick turnarounds. Speaking of extruders, the Sovol SV06 has a planetary dual-gear direct drive that promises accurate extrusion and easier feeding. It's like having a personal chef who never messes up your order. Meanwhile, the Kobra 2 Neo has a newly integrated extruder system with a 60W hot end and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. That's right, it's like having an industrial fan on steroids cooling your prints. Reviewers find both extruder systems efficient, but the Kobra 2 Neo's advanced cooling system gives it a slight edge. Auto-leveling is crucial unless you enjoy your prints looking like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Sovol SV06 uses a 25-point auto-leveling system with an inductive sensor to ensure your bed is as flat as a pancake. But the Kobra 2 Neo steps it up with LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling, which sounds like a sci-fi robot, but is actually a unique module that compensates for Z-axis offset. It's like having a personal assistant who makes sure everything is perfectly aligned. Reviewers have praised both systems, but the Kobra 2 Neo's LeviQ 2.0 is noted for its superior precision. Now let's talk build plates. The Sovol SV06 has a flexible PEI-coated build plate that makes removing prints as easy as peeling a sticker. On the flip side, the Kobra 2 Neo doesn't specify its build plate, but given its other features, we can guess it's pretty solid. However, if you hate scraping off prints, the Sovol might just be your new best friend. Reviewers have specifically highlighted the ease of use of Sovol's build plate. And finally, customer service. Sovol offers lifetime technical support, which means they're in it for the long haul, like that friend who never leaves your side. Anycubic, on the other hand, gives you a 1-year service with specific support periods for the print head and heated bed. It's like a warranty with an expiration date. Reviewers have noted that while Sovol's customer service can be hit or miss, its lifetime support is a significant advantage over Anycubic's limited service. Both the Sovol SV06 and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo have received positive reviews, but they each have their own strengths. Reviewers appreciate the Sovol SV06 for its build quality, ease of assembly, and reliable auto-leveling, though some have encountered issues with customer service. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its speed, ease of use, and advanced features, but has had some reported issues with power supply and bed adhesion. So there you have it, folks. The Sovol SV06 versus the Anycubic Kobra 2 Mio. Both have their pros and cons, and it all boils down to what you value more: speed, precision, or long-term support. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, print smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.